It's got lots of space and juice.
Okay.
So make sure you get his face when he's talking.
Okay.
Raise your arm.
Sure.
Okay, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ladies and gentlemen, the volcano at tent number 5 is about to erupt. If you would like to see the science demonstration of the volcano erupting, please gather around now, and we will start the ritual. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, you over there.
Where are the sacrifices?
Yeah, if you want to make a sacrifice or have a wish, you may
I
write
sure wish I had my glasses on.
The only way the volcano is going to erupt is we make a sacrifice. Everybody knows this.
Let's make it happen.
This is common knowledge. You can Google it.
Up on your volcano lore, I see.
Or if you don't know what Google is, you can Bing it.
Yes.
Or Yahoo. It's also acceptable. You feel the tremors? You feel the tremors? 1 minute. 1 minute. A geological minute.
1 minute just
Don't look directly in the volcano.
Yeah, it's starting to gurgle.
Just quickly. Good. Don't look at it. Don't look at it. Just put it in.
Very good. Bad luck.
Okay. Very good, sir. Wish will come true. All right. This is about to erupt, and we need your help with the countdown. Starting with 3, 3,
2, 1.
Are you not entertained? Thank you very much.
That's it.
That means all your wishes will somewhat come true sometime. It's as long
How
as
did it
there's
go?
any syllable.
It went.
Excellent. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me just tap it once.